What up, guys? In today's video we're going to be talking about the Kapechain. Now the Kapechain has their native token, which is the Kape token, and right now they are doing their ICO. Now for those of you that don't know what the meaning of ICO means initial coin offering. Now this is a program that most cryptocurrencies project does just to raise funds for their project. So in this video I'll be showing you guys step by step how you can purchase this token, stake it, and also start earning from this project. So if you're interested in knowing how this thing works, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so before I go into the video, I just want to quickly show you guys something that I noticed on this platform. Like if you've been watching my video regularly, you notice I made a video and I told you guys the AI one will soon be disabled completely from this platform, and voila, it has come to pass. Right now we can't see the AI one any longer. It's the free mode is gone. So now if you want to keep enjoying this platform, you will just have to make deposit, then you keep enjoying from wherever you stop. For example, if on your account you have about 15 USDT, maybe you are just gonna deposit 5 USDT to complete it so you can be able to start the AI trading tool, which is over here. That is the one I've been doing daily. I told you guys earlier on. So I've already done a video of how to withdraw from this platform, and I showed you the live withdrawal. So if you've not seen it, the link will be in the description of this video. So guys, if you want to be part of, if you want to keep enjoying the profit from this platform, you definitely need to make deposits. Now the minimum for you to join the AI is 20 USDT. So guys, the ball is in your court. If you want to keep enjoying the USDT from this platform, you know what. Okay guys, so if you want to be part of the Kapechain platform, you will need to get an account, and to get an account there's a link in the description of this video. Go down there and you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you get to a page looking like this. Now the next thing you should do is to put in your email address over here, and once you put in that email address, put your email address over here. And once you put in your email address, you will need to click on "you are not a robot" to prove that you are not a robot, and instantly you will need to click on claim token, claim 5,000 Kape token, which is over here. Click on it and an email address will be sent to your inbox. So all you need to do is to go over there, click on it. I think you will get a link. You click on it, it's going to bring you back to this place where you are going to give them the full details for your account. So you are going to create your username and other stuff. That is what you need to do next. And after that, your login ID will be given to you and a password will be given to you. What you need to do is to make sure you write it down, because you'll be needing it to log into your account every time. So make sure you don't lose it. Write it in a very safe place where you can always get it anytime, any day. So you can anytime you need it, you're just gonna copy it and log into your account. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is to log in, and once you log in, you will get to an interface looking like this. Now over here, what you will see is the current price of this token, the Kape token. This is the current price in USDT. That's 0.0023 cents. So that is the current price of the token, of their token, and you can actually see the airdrop that you claim over here. Now for the airdrop, there's something I noticed you won't be able to stake this, the 5,000 token as they given to you as an airdrop. You won't be able to stake it. Maybe you will be able to do it when you make deposit. So that is what we're going to be finding out in this video right here. So I decided to make deposit, and the minimum deposit is 15 USDT. So I decided to make a deposit so that I can buy more of this token and see if I add it up to this 5,000 token or as airdrop, I will be able to stake it. So that is what I want to do. But this is not a financial advice, but as for me, I had this 15 USDT in one of my wallets doing nothing there, so I decided to bring it here and see if I can buy this token, stake it, and start earning with it. I think I prefer it than just leaving it in my wallet doing nothing. So guys, it's not a financial advice, but if you want to join me, you can go ahead, join me on. Before you do that, maybe you should do your own thorough research on this platform before you do it. Okay, so guys, now I've already made my 15 USDT. I've already deposited my 15 USDT. Now let me show you how I did it. If you want to deposit also, you just need to click over here in the menu, then you click on deposit funds. Right, so once you click on deposit funds, you are going to get to a page looking like this. Now you have the option to choose between this. Let me click it and you see. All right, now you have we have about 4 different options here. 5 different options here for you to be able to make deposit. You can either use USDT Binance, which is over here, the first one, or you use the Tron, or you use the BNB, or you use Ethereum, or you use USDT TRC20, which is the Tron network. All right, so the option is left for you. You have to make your own choice. I don't know if you want to use Tron, you want to use BNB, you want to use Ethereum, if you want to use USDT, the BSC, which is the Binance blockchain, or you want to use the USDT TRC20, which is the Tron blockchain. So option is left to you. All you need to do is to select one. Then after selecting one, you are going to write the amount you want to use in you want the amount you want to deposit. You are going to put it here. Like I said, the minimum is 15 USDT. So you're going to write the amount over here, and the next thing you do is to click on generate address. So once you generate the address, you are going to copy the address that you just generated. You copy it and you go to your wallet, wherever you have the money, wherever you have the crypto, the USDT, or any cryptocurrency you want to use to fund your account. You go to the wallet. Then all you need to do is to do the needful. You just have to send the amount, and that's all. You come over here and give the platform, I think 10 to 15 minutes. You refresh your page, you refresh your account, and you are going to definitely see your balance. You're going to see the amount that you just deposited right here on your dashboard, looking like this. As you can see mine over here. Also, you're going to see yours on your wallet looking like this. All right, so now quickly, the next thing for me to do now is to buy the Kape token. So now to buy the Kape token, let's just quickly do this. Okay, let me just click on this stake over here. Click on stake over here. It's going to take me to where I can buy the token. All right, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to buy the amount. I'll enter the amount I want to buy over here by writing it here. I'm just going to write the 15 in total. Okay, so I'll be getting 6,285 of the Kape token. So that is what I'm going to be getting. So why not just click on buy? I'll click on buy to see if I'm going to be getting the token. All right, token purchased successfully. All right, now the next thing we should do is to click on let's go to staking. Click on staking. Okay, let's click on stake Kape. All right, now after clicking on stake Kape, you can see the amount I just bought. I told you guys I bought like 6,285. that is it over there. So the next thing for us to do is for us to stake and see, and for the staking we are going to be earning 0.8% daily. It's kind of reasonable, it's not so high, reasonable anyway. Okay, so all we need to do now is to stake it. Now we need to enter the amounts we want to stake. As for me, I want to stake everything I just bought, so I'm going to put in the full digits over here. Okay, I put this. Okay, let me even put plus dots 3 5 5 1 2 2 5 6. That is it, exactly everything that I just bought. I want to stake it. All right, so the next boss is saying airdrop token. I don't know, let me see if we're going to add the airdrop amount. Okay, now the airdrop is also showing here right now. Now the next thing I want to do is to click on submit. So let's just click on submit and see if our staking will be taken into record. Okay, now you can see your Kape stake successfully. All right, now let's check out what it's gonna look like on our dashboard after staking our coin, after staking the token. Okay, now you can see the airdrop is also gone, so meaning I was able to stake the airdrop and the tokens that I bought. So now meaning I have more than enough to stake. Say my total staking is also available here right now. My total staking is also available here right now. That's interesting, that's nice. Okay, so I'm going to be expecting my reward after 24 hours. Now the good thing about the staking on this platform is you can unstake anytime you wish. You can actually unstake your token anytime you wish. It is not locked for a given period, for a period of time. No, you can actually unstake it anytime you want. So right now I want to see what my tokens that I have right now stake here is going to generate for me in the next 24 hours. So I'll be expecting to see my results very soon. So all I need to do now is just to wait for the next 24 hours when my staking is going to start generating some income for me. I'm going to come back and claim it. So when it's time for me to make withdrawals, I will definitely make another video for you guys to show you guys how you can withdraw. So guys, if you're not yet in my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp group, you need to, the links are in the description right now. You can go down there and join so that you will be getting more frequently updates about this particular project before I even make videos on YouTube. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you again in my next video. Bye.